What the hell? Is this dude broken down? Yo, dude, y'all good?
Yeah, I'm good. My girlfriend's on her way, so you can leave me alone.
Oh wait, is your battery dead?
Yeah, my battery died.
I mean, it's almost dark outside. Seems like a pretty bad girlfriend. You sure you just don't want me to jump start you?
I guess you're right. It's almost dark. Yeah, that's fine. Just pull your car over. Yo, dude.
What's
you
up?
have to bring your car closer. My jumbo cables are not going to reach your car.
Oh, well, we actually need one car jump started.
Really? How?
Yeah, we only need one car with this. It's a portable car jump starter.
I don't know, bro. I might just wait for my girlfriend because she usually does this part, and I don't want to, like, mess it up.
Oh, bro, it's chill. It's super easy. All we gotta do is connect the positive to the positive,
okay,
and then the negative to the negative after that, or metal.
Well, how do I know if I even connected it right? Because I don't want to blow up my car.
Well, you see this little green light right here?
Yeah.
That means it's all good to go and connected. And if you were to go connect them wrong, for example, it cut the power. So you're not gonna blow up your car. It has
Really?
a safety feature. Yeah, but go ahead and crank your car up, dude. If it's a battery, it should start up.
All right, dude. Let's see if that's what the issue was.
All right, moment of truth. Hey.
Oh my gosh, bro. Now we got to start, dude. Come look at this, bro. I have a
What?
freaking low tire pressure syndrome.
Dang, bro, your dash looks like a Christmas tree.
Bro.
But good thing it's also an air compressor too, so we can fill up the tire. Yeah.
All right, dude. It should be this tire right here.
All right, this tire right here. So all we gotta do now is just connect it to the valve stem. Then it says your PSI is 35. It's a little low, so we're gonna set at 37 and click the power button twice. And just like that, it's gonna refill your tire.
Bro, I also love how it cut it off at 37 PSI, so it's not gonna, like, overflow. Bro, I'm never gonna have to pay for gas station air again, dude. That's crazy. How much? What is this, though?
Well, that's actually a roadside assistance light. So if you hold on this button right here, it has a white, red flashing, and blue flashing. But whenever you flip it over, we're even getting UBS and UBS-C ports too, so we can charge your phone in a pinch.
Really? This is crazy, bro. I need to get one of these for all my family members, but how much is it? Like 80 bucks?
No, bro. Not even close on a limited time Black Friday flash sale. It's going to end in a few days. So if you guys want to check them out for you or any of your family members, I'll put the link to them right down here.